Hello. To properly transfer some data so that you don't get those open spaces there, um, you will have to go into the text module. This is the text module here. And you have to go to the text tab. And let's get out of this. I'm gonna just add another one here. Just add another text box here. Okay, so now we have this text box. If you copy stuff right on this visual, you're gonna collect all the data that's on there. Let's say I open, oops, let's say I open up one of these files that you're copying it from. All I do is highlight what I want to copy, and then what I do is I go to the text tab here, and then I paste. And this gets rid of any formatting that you get from there. If you get all kinds of this, something like that, it'll give you all these spaces, so you don't want that stuff. So you want a text like that, and then when you hit visual, you can format it this way. This is the best way to do it, or else you're gonna get all those spacing and things like that. So it's like you could do connect that, and you just delete there, and there you go. You could do that. Something like that. So you will have to do a little bit of work in formatting it, or else it won't work that way. So if I do this, boom, that is only the text and no formatting from your other programs. Alrighty, so and then you just hit save, and of course save, and that's what you'll have. You have that's all set up there. Alrighty, so that was just a test, and I'm just gonna take that away. Boom, and let's save it. There you go. So that is how you move other texts into your box.